Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick unboxing and review of a silicone case I purchased on AliExpress. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, I've removed the styrofoam casing and the plastic sleeve, and the first thing I notice is that this is nice soft touch insert on the silicone case. It's not just a silicone case. So it's a nice little touch which will make it also less likely to scratch your iPhone if you get any sand or dust stuck in there. Now I'm going to put the iPhone in buttons first and we'll see how it clicks in. And I have to say the first impression is that that's quite a tight fit. It fits perfectly well. So let's quickly have a look at what it is like. Now there's enough clearance here, about a millimeter between the camera module and the case. The volume buttons, let's check them. So the volume down button works fine, the volume up works fine. You can get your finger into the silent notifier switch, and the power button works as expected, so all good in that department. Nothing on the top of the phone, and there is the appropriate cutouts at the bottom, so you can see the asymmetric speaker grill there, the lightning port bit, and it seems to do its job. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that obviously this is not an official case, it's not a perfect fit, but it is quite slimline. It doesn't add much bulk to the iPhone 12 in this case. You still get to see everything as expected on the rest of the device, and I think the navy blue case with the red camera module makes for a bit of nice contrast. Anyway, this is a case available on AliExpress for around about £2 to £3, depending on what the exchange rates are like. I'll put a link in the description so you can look and decide if to purchase from there or not. But I would say if you can be patient for their delivery, I would recommend this case. So if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. For now, thanks for watching.